Ito yung aking coffee. Asan yung name mo na yun? Ito naman kay Belle. Ito yung setting nila. Table setting.
Academic achievement and exceptional performance for quality service management. QSM. So ito yung visibility. Hindi. Iba pa yun. QSM, highest gauge na sa ibig sabihin. 93% in QSM. Sino yun? Ikaw talaga yun. Let me call on Mr. Jude Pineda.
Hawakan mo. Wala si Kuya. Wala. Ayan. Sunan mo nga kami.
Thank you. With 87% for academic achievement for macro for today. Bawat lingon ko andyan. Mr. Pineda and Mr. Penales. Kahit si Penales ay lagi nasa 1 to 10. Paano Jollibee? Yeah, they will sign off this school year. Yung logbook na malabas nyo. Officers to RU1. OHM, support natin sila. Okay, good luck. Kayang-kaya niya. Thank you very much. HM, di pa tayo tapos? Why? You may now enjoy the waffle or the crepe na meron dyan. And please enjoy it with your parents. Thank you, HM. Bar is not for students.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel for today's vlog. Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Asian Institute of Maritime Studies. Ayun. Ayan, may event ang aking anak kaya samahan niyo ako guys. Ayan, dito tayo. Kailangan pa ng ano? Ito?
Yung ano? Ito?
Ito.
Invitation?
Oh.
Share lang po.
Thank you. Thank you po. Jairen. Okay mo po. Thank you po.
Okay na.
Welcome po. Good afternoon.
Okay lang?
Sure, ma'am.
Ayan, nandito kami sa Asian Maritime Institute Studies. And guys, mga Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Ito yung kanilang event. Anong gagawin?
Let's play a guessing game. How many cards are in the fish? For a chance to win this wine bottle.
What is your question?
how many hearts are in the fishbowl? Kung ilan po yung hearts na nasa fishbowl?
I have to guess.
The closest person who guesses the number of hearts po sa fishbowl, may chance po manalo ng
okay.
wine bottle.
Oh.
You may write your answer po. Name and guess.
Is there any clue? Wala.
Honestly po, sa server sa host.
Okay. So dito ko isusulat. Ayan, para daw may kami reward. We have to guess how many participants. Is this a participant? Okay. Ayan, yung guess ko nito is 100. Para may chance daw na manalo ng dito. Ito pala yung kanilang entrance. Okay. Ayan. Ito yung aking anak. Okay lang kumuha ng tao? Okay lang? Okay lang?
Ano? Opo. Wait lang po.
My order. Thank you.
Thank you.
Magandang kuhanan yung nila. Yung entrance. Ayan guys, dito nag-aaral yung aking anak. Okay lang kumuha. Ano tong food nyo? Anong tawag dito? Ano to, sariling gawa nyo? Ano kayo? BH Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. So ito luto nyo. Ayan, mga luto nila guys. BSHM.
Would you like to order?
Ano yan?
Would you like to order some prep?
Okay, sige. Kukunin ko mamaya. Parang Halloween. Ano naman tong nyo? Ayan. Mga BSHM. Ano naman tong...
Waffle po, ma'am.
Waffle. Ayan, waffle. Gusto ko rin waffle. Okay lang.
Opo, ma'am.
Ayan. Kakain tayo ng waffle. Ano ba tong concept ng nyo? Ng party?
Alice in a Wonderland.
Ha?
Alice in a Wonderland.
Alice in a Wonderland. And then you serve us. Ano yung purpose? Ano yung aim nyo?
Story po siya, ma'am. By story po.
By story. Madilim nga lang. Ano naman to?
Coffee po.
Coffee. And how about
Pang-serve lang po.
pang-serve.
Yes po.
Ayan guys, habang may sila, party, nagsiserve sila ng mga coffee, iba-ibang coffee menu. Dito naman, Ano to, ladies
Please
drinks?
stand by. We will start in 5
Ha?
minutes.
Cocktail. So, babae meron?
Yes, ma'am.
Today's Wonderland wouldn't be complete without the presence of those who have been part of an incredible journey. Our graduating students.
To our dear graduates, you have journeyed far through lessons, challenges, and discoveries. And now, you stand at the edge of a new chapter, not unlike Alice herself, wiser, braver, and ready to face a world that awaits your magic. May we kindly ask our graduating students to rise so we may acknowledge you. Let's give them a big round of applause for all they've achieved and all they are becoming.
And of course, behind every determined student is a source of love, support, and sacrifice. We would also like to recognize the ever-supportive parents and guardians of our third year and graduating students who are here with us today.
Parents and guardians of our third year and graduating students, may we ask you to stand so we can honor you as well.
Tayo. Stand daw eh. Tayo ba?
Let's give them a warm round of applause for nurturing the future of hospitality.
Graduating.
The Wonderland we celebrate
Ba't
today
kukunti?
was made possible because of each and every one of you. We would like to inform you that the drinks that will be served by the cocktail servers are alcoholic. You may decline, for there are mocktails that are non-alcoholic drinks available as well. The
The bar is now open.
The bar is now open daw.
Guests may now approach the bar or ask the servers for drinks.
Asan yung water ko?
And in our own journey through Wonderland, we are privileged to be joined by individuals who embody exactly that. This afternoon, we would like to formally recognize the presence of our esteemed guests, academic leaders, and valued partners in the field of hospitality.
Your presence here today speaks volumes about your continued support, not only for our institution, but most importantly, for the future professionals
Yes, sir.
we are shaping.
We are truly honored to have you as part of this milestone moment. Thank you for inspiring our students to dream bigger and serve better. As our story continues today, We hope you enjoy the efforts and talents of the young professionals whose futures you help illuminate. A world unlike any other, full of strange colors, talking animals, and flowing teacups. She had unknowingly entered the world of Wonderland. Management's annual culminating activity, High Tea Party.
Again, a pleasant afternoon for this year's annual culminating event. I am Jax Justin A. Salari.
And I'm Madrain El Heronco, and we are your Masters of Ceremonies.
Welcome, dear guests, to a magical adventure. Please sit back, relax, and let us take you through Haley's journey to the mysterious world of Wonderland.
Welcome to an evening where imagination meets insight, and every word holds a little spark of magic. Tonight, our stage is no ordinary place. It's a realm where ideas transform like alchemy into an inspiration.
Haley wandered through Wonderland, tired, lost, and hungry. Met a Mad Hatter. Haley froze, torn between fear and wonder. Was the figure before her truly human? Another lost soul like herself? No, there was something otherworldly in his presence. Something far greater than she had ever imagined.
With eyes blazing like wildfire, crackling magic surging through the air around him. With a twisted smile, the Mad Hatter summons Wonderland's luminous chaos. Mysterious corners. He whisked her away to an extravagant tea party. Banquet begins.
Ayan, ito pala yun. Nakatakip siya. And then, tanggalin mo. Ah, sosok to. Pumpkin soup nandiyan na sa ano eh. Oh, hindi ko tinignan eh.
Wala akong ganito.
Wala.
So, Masked Man, what do you think of the program so far?
Hindi pala naka-on.
Getting to know
Ang tawag nito, Neng?
and about eating. It's basically at home. We're eating, we're enjoying our food while watching performances happen.
For me, I think this program helped me.
Participants were able to share laughter, knowledge, and experience. They enjoyed wakeboarding and riding ATVs. They immersed by learning about the history and culture of Bicol. Even the tiring experience of traffic, road construction, and delays. Introducing this year's Hospitality Management Bicol Tour video presentation, created with pride by HM's very own Lucky Luis Lucido.
Si Kuya. Si Kuya.
Events from 2022 to 2024.
But just as life, kaya nakaka-proud yung watch nyo. Congratulations kay Ma'am Alex.
Thank you, ma'am.
How about you, sir? Another graduating. What do you think? What do you think of the food selection?
Sabi ng mother niya, sarap daw. So, nakaka-proud din bilang isang graduating na nakikita yung kagandahan sa tulong ni Ma'am Alex.
Thank you po.
Okay, as a parent of our third-year student, Sir, Mr. Romel Plaza, what segment was your favorite so far? Thank you, sir. Any comments, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am.
How about one of the
Fried chicken. Do you want to eat the beer fried chicken?
Beer brand.
For the
Sir Mal
main
Sanchez,
Main dish. Nasaan?
what do you think of the food that we've given you today?
Ano to?
eggless pudding.
Huh?
Eggless pudding.
Eggless pudding. And then this one.
Eton mess.
Huh?
Eton mess.
Petal mess. Thank
Thank
you.
you for your kind comments, sir. How about you, ma'am? Or sir? Sir, comment naman, sir.
Congratulations, masarap yung food. Also, very pinagandang may salamat for helping us.
Thank you very much, sir.
So far.
Okay mo. Wala namang sabi. Masarap naman yung mga
Another dish. Anong tawag nito?
Beer brain chicken.
Beer brand?
Tingnan
Oh.
Beer brain.
Beer brain chicken.
Beer brine.
Beer brine chicken.
Now that we're almost at the end of our story,
Hi. Order daw
with the
ng
laughter
By everything. So,
So, let's start with simple awards for subjects muna tayo. Bago tayo mag-special award.
Dito ako napasok, wala ko dyan.
This is for other subjects. Katulad ng taon-taong ginagawa natin. Kinakabahan sila. Kinakabahan din ako. Basahin na natin yung citation. Certificate of Excellence is awarded to in recognition of outstanding academic achievement and exceptional performance in continental patisserie. Sino teacher sa Conpat this year? Si Ma'am Christine? Conpat under sa akin. Sa tingin mo, sino yung best sa Conpat?
Ako talaga yan. Kami na yan. Kami Lome.
Si Jomel na pag humawak ng tinapay, nagiging bato.
Pati ang...
So, the outstanding achievement for continental patisserie goes to Crisandra Agsamusa. Ay, nasa coffee station may order ata siya. Ito yung malaki. Outstanding academic achievement for operations management. Do you still remember the case studies? The unlimited case studies sa operation management. Let me call on Miss Shaynalyn Villanueva. Picture kasi sila. Kaya andyan po at ang parents, ayan, picture. Picture. Pakipicturean.
Picture mo kayo. Ito po.
Academic achievement and exceptional performance for quality service management. QSM. So ito yung visibility. Hindi. Iba pa yun. QSM, highest gauge na sa ibig sabihin. 93% in QSM. Sino yun? Ikaw talaga yun. Let me call on Mr. Jude Pineda.
Hawakan mo. Wala si Kuya. Wala. Ayan.
Gawang pro.
Sunan mo nga kami.
Thank you. With 87% for academic achievement for macro perspective of tourism and hospitality. First year. and Beverage Management may garnish ng isang buong halaman ng pinya nandun sa taas ng baso. But this year, it's quite different. For Bar and Beverage Management, we love with 86%, Miss Diana P. Hernandez. So, sa entrepreneurship and tourism and hospitality with 86%, ibig sabihin siya yung may pinakamagandang business plan. For second year student, can I call on Miss April Joy C. Gumoka. Thank you, my dear. Specialty cuisine with food styling under Ma'am Romelia with 89%, Miss Diana P. Fernandez.
Ayan yung mga palareklamo, may award.
Yung walang sariling time zone. Fundamentals of food service operations with 88%. Ang aking transferee from Customs Ad, pero ngayon HM na siya. Miss Rodeline naman din. May housekeeping siya ngayon. For fundamentals in lodging and operation, we own your favorite, Giancarlo Azurin. Transferring po siya from different school ngayong SEM, pero para na po siya matagal dito. From Philippine Tourism, Geography and Culture with 91% first year.
I love that subject.
Miss Jaira Balestramon. And tayo sila with Rodeline Lamadrid. Sunod na yung waffle. Sunod na po apoy na. Okay, basic food preparation from Ma'am M. First year, natatandaan niyo si Ma'am M niyo? Yes, well, unfortunately, nasa Antipolo na si Ma'am M ngayon. Then she's not with us. But we have two students. Same highest, 22%. Miss Mace Gironco and Jackson Ake. Mga 30 na sa second year subject ako. Miss Diana P. Fernandez. Hospitality marketing. Marketing, ibig sabihin Maganda yung marketing niya kahit napaka-idealistic from the beginning. Ang budget daw niya pag nagtayo siya ng business is, I think 10 million daw yun. Ganon siya kayaman, sabi niya. With 90%, Miss Jamie Gregorio Amadilla. Jamie! Ano ba? Hindi ko pala. Ayun si Jamie. Kambal po pala niya yun. Hindi po siya. Ang magaling sa Shots PH. Do you still remember Shots? The property management system and the point of sale. We have Hakot Awardee, Miss Rodalyn Lamadrid. Nag-aantay ka naman. Sabi pa niya sa akin, Ma'am, sabi po kasi ng ate ko dapat ganito. Tapos dapat po kasi ganito. Tapos sabi ko, sana ate mo na naman pumasok sa klase ko. Now, let me call on Miss Shaneline Villanueva. Ate po niya ata ay gumawa ng financial feasibility part. O, diba? Dalawang Shaneline. Siya po yung nagsabi sa ate ko po kasi sabi ganito. Ate ko po ganito. Sana si ate na lang ang pumasok sa klase. And we have Miss Diana Fernandez. Bumili ng crepe paper. Yung naulanan, habang nag-iipo-ipo sa Pasay, silang dalawa ni Azurin. Management is applied to safety, security, and sanitation with 91% na mamimiss natin lahat. Mr. Nino Silverio. Babalik na po siya ng Palawan kasi kailangan po. Naling pa po siya, taga-Palawan po talaga siya. At nagda-dorm po, uwian daw, uwian. Nagda-dorm po siya dito. Fortunately, kailangan na po siya ng mommy niya sa Palawan. So, magta-transfer po siya. Siya po si Dor. Mr. Lucky Luis Luciot. Boy, siya po ang nag-paint nito. Mr. Avalos. Ayun, na pagkagising po niya, kirat po siya. Mag-effects.
Ayun talaga magkawit nila. Ako silang kambal.
Ang Calvario. For fundamentals of cruise maritime issues in operation, so ibig sabihin, she got 90%, which is Miss Shaneline Villanueva. Thank you po. At saka highest grade, of course, which is Miss April Joy Gumong-As. Menu design and catering management under my class. Hosting, standard operating or standard procedure ng recipe na pinaghihirapan ang pag-derive ng recipe from internet going to the actual one. Miss Angela Nisa. Umiiyak to every time na sasabihan ko na anak ko daw siya. Diversity in the workplace, ibig sabihin ito yung kahit kanino mo ilagay, kahit kanino mo i-partner, ngingiti lang siya. Hindi siya susungit, hindi ka makakarinig ng kahit na anong negative sa kanya.
Ang soft girl, ako yan.
Super soft girl. Super soft girl. Tapos, lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya, even in front of class, na proud ako sa kanya. Kasi working student siya. Miss Jamie Nicole Bogayin. Subject ng lahat ng estudyante ng HM, Rooms Division and Cost Control Management. Siya daw ang pinakamagaling mag-analyze ng reservation. Miss April Joy Gumapas. Ay, meron pa. Ay, meron pa nga.
Pag-asa pa.
Pawiin na yan.
Pag-asa pa yan.
Last two daw. Recreation, Gaming, and Leisure Management and Sustainable Hospitality. Under Mom Christine. Pauuwiin nyo na siya.
Uwi ka na.
Jamie, uwi na. Adi tayo ta.
Jamie, bubalik.
Uwi ka na.
Then, ng third year. Hindi ba lang kung may defense pa sila dito?
Wala na! Wala na!
Saan ka nagaling?
Tama na! Approve na eh!
Strategic Management in Tourism and Hospitality.
Okay na
Ano
yan.
ba? Angeline Nisa.
Wait lang, hindi ako tatuloy kasi parang hindi totoo. Dapat sa atin ko dyan.
Iyak na! Iyak na!
Uy, mamaya na pa makapasok.
Introduction to Meetings, Incentive Conference, and Events Management. Mines. Miss Jaire Joy Sikina. Miss Lady Almas.
Ayaw mo ba?
Lena, pag ayaw na ba?
Ano ba yung kala ko bababa na kasama?
Okay, dito lapid. Ipakita mo ang belt. Okay, let's go to special awards. Ito na yung may mga medals. Ibig sabihin, ito na po yung special awards sa performance ninyo dito sa culminating activity. For our early bird awardee, si Ivy daw. Ilang pumpings ka na? Ilang pumpings tayo last time?
90 kami.
96. For our early bird awardee, Mr. Charles Hoya. Charles, dalagdating ka ata. Buong linggo since like Thursday. Tapos kanina habang nagsa-service. Ma'am, ang bilis. Pwedeng pakipagalan lang. Okay, ano yung word of the week natin? Bakit be nice?
Kasi nice ako.
Bakit? Kasi every time po na nakikipag-usap sila sa isa't isa, parang sila laging nakikipag-away. Parang po sila laging may kaaway. Tapos parang tatanungin lang, saan mo nilagay yung ganito? Di ba kanina guys? Ay, ganun na po sila magsagot. Singing lagi po silang pasugod. We have Miss Jamie Bobadilla. Ang hindi nawawala ang ngiti kahit anong mangyari. My soft girl, MJ Arena. And of course, HM personal shadow, Curty Barona. Yes, lagi po nilang ginaganyan si Courtney. Hindi daw po siya kita kasi madilim. Kasi maitim daw po siya. Sila po, kahit po anong gawin niyo dyan, hindi po yan magre-reklamo yung tatlong yan. Wala po sila. Siguro magre-reklamo po sila silently. Pero, wala ka talagang maririnig. Yung mga pala-answer. Sino yung mga pala-answer? Yeah, teamwork. So, ibig sabihin dito, kaya ito yung pinabit naming term is utusan. Oh, grabe yung utos ng mga estudyante sa kanila throughout this culminating activity. Kasi, may ganito, tapos makakapunta sila kung saan-saan. May I call on ang nag-iisang kilala ko sa HM. Solis! John Darius Solis, Diana Fernandez, and our very own Azurin! Noong nagkaroon po ng ito-ito sa May Pasay, na sobrang lakas po ng ulan, itong dalawang puto ay basang-basa po kung bumalik sa iyo. So, may asan si Solis? Ayun si Solis! Naguhugas po siya sa baba. Naka-gloves pa siya. Artfully Creative Awardees. Artistic. Sasabihin ko lang kung anong gusto kong design. Hindi ko na kailangang i-elaborate pa. Hindi ko na kailangang sabihin pa kung anong specific. Let me call on Mr. Avalos. Miss Valeza. Miss Balestramon. And of course, is for this day, Mr. Bermejo. Master awardees. So, ibig sabihin, that strive or stroke his or her capabilities throughout the semester. Simulan natin sa pinaka-proud kayo. Kaso, kahit ganun, kahit working student siya, since lumipas siya dito sa school na to, binigay niyo yung effort. Never siyang na-late at lagi siyang nandyan. Mr. Lapira. Another student trimester awardee. Na-relate siya, pero this is the defense kay Matthew. Varsity. Nag-work. at never na-relate sa KUP. Lucky. Kaya ngayon na siya. At anong recently award niya sa Blue Sharks? Tapira is Balis Ramon for first year. Selahe for another first year. Diana Fernandez, Barona, and of course for third year, a student trimester awardee na lagi kong tinatawag na kahit taga-Pasig ay nandyan para sa department, Miss Villanueva. Ibig sabihin, nagulat tayo sa lahat ng capabilities nila within the year. Let me call on Mr. Avalos and our golden boy, Mr. Lucky Lucio. At hanggang ngayon, hindi tumitigil. Nagtatrabaho pa rin. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niya ako. Hindi niya ako pinapansin. Nasa likod pa rin siya. For our perseverance award, we have 4. Isa dito, muntik na siyang suguran ng service kanina. Isa dito, naglalagay ng sariling effect sa sarili niya. Tapos yung isa, pag pumapasok, siya gumawa. At proud kami dyan. Chris, paano maganda? Paano may lipstick? For today, bawat lingon ko, andyan. Mr. Pineda and Mr. Penales. Kahit si Penales ay lagi nasa 1 to 10. Nagpa-practice yung nagsasayaw na tutulong. Kahit nakamay. Kahit nakamay. Paano Jollibee? Mr. John Jairo Solis and Miss Cristandra Agsamusan.
Ano? Ano ba nakalagay?
Following student.
Service award.
Miss de Madrid, Miss de la Cruz, Miss Bobadilla, Miss Sequina, Mr. Penales. And of course, one of my doors, Mr. Silverio. And for our leadership awardee, none other than Miss Angeline Misa, Miss Shaynalyn Villanueva, Miss Daniel Pazon, and of course, Mr. Primar Corial. Primar daw yun, pasensya na po. Yung going above and beyond award. Medyo may debate to upon decision. Pero in the end, nag-decide naman na siya talaga, kahit na gano'n. And in fairness, ang laki ng pinagbago niya. At nagulat talaga ako doon. This trimester. Congratulations. Congratulations. Miss Damiel Pazo. they will sign off this school year. Yung logbook na malabas nyo. Now, let me introduce to you the upcoming officers of Junior Hotelier Society. Turn over na tayo. Wala po kasi yung cellphone ko, so hindi ko alam kung asan siya. Officers to RU1. OHM, support natin sila. Okay, good luck. Kayang-kaya niya. Thank you very much. HM, di pa tayo tapos? Why? You may now enjoy the waffle or the crepe na meron dyan. And please enjoy it with your parents. Thank you, HM. Bar is not for students.